back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Unfortunately, the job leads this week haven't been the greatest, with it being a holiday week, but we are continuing on with anything we find that might be remotely helpful to someone. So today's job lead is from the huge web hosting company GoDaddy. They are hiring an email sales representative. Now, don't let the job title fool you. This is going to be a phone-based customer service position for their email clients that subscribe to email services. They offer email services along with their hosting services. Now, this is remote for the United States. It says their center of excellence is located in Arizona, but this position is open to other additional states remotely. You are not eligible if you are in Alaska, California, Colorado, Louisiana, Massachusetts, Mississippi, New Jersey, New York, North Dakota, Oregon, or the Virgin Islands. It looks like everywhere else will be considered for this position. One thing to note, their shifts may require working nights, weekends, or holidays. Now, the good thing about pay is they start out pay anywhere from $15 to $17 an hour, depending on the team you're on. And then it says those who meet 100% of their target would likely be bumped up to the $58,000 to $83,000 a year range. So there is room to get raises and grow in this position, but they are basically looking for someone to be a part of their email sales team. You'll be a part of the dedicated sales agents geared towards ensuring that all of their email customers get the product suite that they need at the right time every time. You'll be providing assistance to the customers with purchases, technical issues, or other general questions and concerns while making sure they have a positive customer experience. You'll provide immediate and appropriate technical support to customers regarding the GoDaddy email products and services, and you'll thoroughly review and validate customer accounts to find opportunities to renew their contracts, consolidate billing dates, and add on products. That's kind of where the sales come in. You'll let them know about other products that they are not subscribed to that you have and try to talk them into adding more products to their suite. Now, this does not require any kind of a college degree. They're looking for someone who has 3 years of sales experience with a proven record of understanding the customer's needs, someone who has experience in commission, bonus, and metric-driven environment, someone who has experience using CRM or other customer management software, of course, familiarity with Microsoft Office 365, that's the online web version, or related add-ons is a plus, and someone who can build relationships with the customers, multitask, and prioritize their work. Now, on top of the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes paid time off and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.